Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts, memories of our soul. To all the soldiers protecting us throughout the day and night, let's remember their fight and toil on this day. Kargil Vijay Divas, a day to remember the gallant efforts and sacrifices of our Indian armed forces. A mother, sister, father, brother have lost someone close to their hearts. We can't get them back, but by lighting a candle in their name, we can show our presence. Our flag is more than just ink and color. It's marked by the blood of those who died defending it. Saluting to our तिरंगा, क्योंकि जीत कहाँ सस्ती मिलती है साहब, कुछ अर्थियाँ तो हमने भी उठाई थी. तो आओ देश का सम्मान करें, शहीदों की शहादत करें, जो कुर्बान हो गए मेरे देश पर, उन्हें सर उठाकर सलाम करें. विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी कारगिल दिवस.
या तो तिरंगा लहरा के आऊंगा या तिरंगे में लिपटा चला आऊंगा, लेकिन वापस जरूर आऊंगा. Either I'll come back after raising the Indian flag in victory or return wrapped in it, but I'll come for sure. Having set an example of bravery with his words, late Captain Vikram Batra is surely an epitome of patriotism. Born and brought up in the laps of Himachal Pradesh, the hero of the Kargil War chose to martyr to the soil of his country. In a rare show of extraordinary courage in Kargil War, Captain Batra was hit by a sniper fire in the chest. He breathed his last, uttering the words, "Durga Mata Ki Jai," meaning victory to Goddess Durga. Captain Batra's bravery and devotion to the duty were extraordinary and will find a respectful place in the annals of our military history. He was awarded with Paramveer Chakra for his outstanding courage. The soldier has definitely outlived his enemies and will forever be alive in the hearts of millions of people. क्योंकि दिल मांगे मोर, दिल मांगे मोर.
Lieutenant Balwan Singh, now a colonel, was a tiger of Tiger Hill. The decisive battle of the Kargil War, Singh was tasked with the recapture of Tiger Hill. At 25, he led soldiers of the Ghatak platoon through a steep, treacherous path on 12-hour journey to reach the hilltop. The assault took the enemy by surprise as India was not expected to take such a difficult route. In the ensuing close combat, Lieutenant Singh killed 4 enemy soldiers despite being seriously injured. Rest of the Pakistani soldiers opted to flee, then facing the wrath of the brave Indian officer. He planted the Indian tricolor atop the Tiger Hill and was later awarded the Mahavira Chakra for his bravery. Before setting off for the Tiger Hill, Lieutenant Singh took a vow with his soldiers. Tiger Hill पे तिरंगा फहरा कर आएंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. We will hoist the tricolor atop Tiger Hill, come what may.
Dear Papa, Mama, Bindya and Granny, by the time you get this letter, I'll be observing you all from the sky, enjoying the hospitalities of the Apsaras. I have no regrets. In fact, even if I become a human again, I'll join army and fight for my nation. If you can, please come and see where the Indian army fought for you tomorrow. These were the last lines wrote by late Captain Vijay Thapar, also known by the name Robin, in his letter. On June 28, 1999, Rajputana Rifles was tasked with capturing Three Pimples, Naul and Lone Hill area. Captain Thapar was commanding Alpha Company when the enemy was just 15 meters away, firing machine guns. After 90 minutes of fire's exchange of bullets, he rushed ahead where a burst of fire stuck in his head. And Captain Thapar got martyred at the age of just 22 in order to protect the motherland. On his brave sacrifice, Captain Vijay Thapar was posthumously awarded India's military honor, the Veer Chakra, by the President. On every Kargil Vijay Divas, Captain Thapar's father, retired Colonel V.N. Thapar, visit the point to witness the supreme sacrifice of the soldiers. And as we are remembering our Kargil heroes, we should follow Captain Thapar's life mantra. Live life king size so that we don't have any regrets at the end.
Even after being captured and tortured heinously, the service to the nation never ended for them. Born on 29th June 1976 in Amritsar, Punjab, Captain Saurabh Kalia started his army career in August 1997 from 4th Battalion Jet Regiment in Kargil sector. On 15th May 1999, Captain Saurabh Kalia with his 5 other counterparts were on a routine patrol in the Kaksar sector of Jammu and Kashmir, where suddenly they were engaged in a firefight with Pakistani forces across the line of control. They were left with zero ammunition, thus were encircled by Pakistani forces. They were brutally tortured for more than a month, which resulted into their deaths. The torture included cigarette burns, eardrums pierced with hot rods, many broken teeth and bones, fractured skull and punctured eyes before their removal. This all tolerance and sacrifice was for us, was for our country. From the story of Captain Saurabh Kalia, we learn the day when you start realizing the sacrifices of our real heroes. From that moment onwards, you creating an era to serve our motherland wholeheartedly. So let's come together, let's join our hands together to serve our great nation in every possible. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I'll kill death. Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey was a young officer of the 11 Gorkha Rifles who was posthumously awarded India's highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra, for his audacious courage and leadership during the Kargil War in 1999. He took part in a series of boldly led attacks during the Operation Vijay, forcing back the intruders with heavy losses in Batalik, including the capture of the Jubbal Top. He had shown most conspicuous bravery, indomitable courage, exemplary personal valor, outstanding leadership and devotion to duty of an exceptionally high order in the face of the enemy, and made the supreme sacrifice in the highest traditions of the army. He believed some goals are so worthy, it's glorious even to fail. We are and will always be proud of you, sir.
On May 14, 1999, Major Rajesh Adhikari was leading the central arm of three 10-man teams trying to capture a bunker at 16,000 feet at the Tololing feature. He displayed exemplary valor in recapturing Tololing, where he engaged in a direct combat with the Pakistani soldiers guarding the bunkers. Major Adhikari suffered serious bullet injuries to which he succumbed beyond enemy line on May 15th. He was the second army officer to be martyred in the Kargil War. His body was recovered 13 days later. In his pocket was an unread letter from his wife. He was posthumously awarded Mahavir Chakra for his bravery. On this Kargil Vijay Divas, we remember him with all our heart.
Yogendra Singh Yadav enlisted with the 18 Grenadiers and was part of the Ghatak Force Commander platoon, tasked to capture 3 strategic bunkers on Tiger Hill in the early morning hours of 4 July 1999. Halfway up, machine gun and rocket fire came from enemy bunker, killing platoon commander and 2 others. Though severely injured, he lobbed a grenade, killing 4 Pakistani soldiers. Then he charged the second bunker along with 2 soldiers and engaged in hand-to-hand combat, killing 4 Pakistani soldiers. The platoon subsequently succeeded in capturing Tiger Hill. Though Yadav was hit with 21 bullets, he played a major role in its capture. He was awarded the highest military decoration, the Paramveer Chakra, for his action during the Kargil War. He is the youngest person to be awarded with the medal. He is now Subedar Major in the army.
I am a woman. I am joining the military. I can do everything a man can do. I can and I will protect my country. With these words in mind, Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, or popularly known as the Kargil Girl, got selected in the Indian Air Force along with 25 other women trainee pilots. During the Kargil War, Gunjan was associated with Operation Vijay. She was tasked to evacuate injured soldiers, surveillance of Pakistani soldiers' positions in the war zone, and supplying crucial types of weapon equipments to the Indian Army units at Dras and Batalik sectors. While evacuating the dead and injured officers and soldiers from the war zone, Gunjan's aircraft was fired upon by the Pakistani troops, and she had a very narrow escape in the steep valleys of Kargil. Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena was the first woman ever to receive the Shaurya Chakra award. She was awarded for her courage and determination in the Kargil war zone.
Nayak Digendra Kumar. He is best known for his plan
to recapture Tololing, that is located at an altitude of 15,000 feet. His plan had surprised General B.P. Malik, the then army chief, who held a Sainik Darbar in Dras on June 2, 1990, after 3 failed attempts to get back to Tololing. The team of 10 commandos came under heavy firing from 250 Pakistani soldiers. 9 commandos died, but before that, they handed over their guns and grenades to Naik Digendra Kumar, who lodged them in all 11 bunkers of enemy. He killed Major Anwar Khan of Pakistani army in hand-to-hand combat, slitting enemy's throat with his dagger. He planted Indian flag on the hilltop before falling unconscious.
Bravest of the brave was the name given to his battalion. Colonel Yogesh Kumar Joshi was the commanding officer of 13th Battalion, Jammu and Kashmir Rifles in Dras. He led the battalion that captured 2 of the significant posts, Point 5140 on Tololing Ridge and Point 4875 or the Patra Top in the Mashko Valley. The 2 posts captured were strategically very important and were difficult terrain. But Colonel Joshi proved to be a great commander, and his planning was equally responsible for the successful captures. The battalion led by him was awarded with a total of 2 Paramveer Chakras, 8 Veer Chakras and 14 Seva medals for exemplary courage shown in the Kargil war. In the words of Colonel Joshi, we must contribute to our nation building. You need not to fight a war to be a patriot, but in every small way, everybody can contribute by doing their job properly and sincerely.
आओ झुककर करें सलाम उन्हें जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आया। कितने खुश नसीब हैं वो लोग जिनका खून वतन के काम आया। और सर झुके बस उनकी शहादत में जो शहीद हुए हमारी हिफाजत में। Thank you everyone for listening to us, and once again NSS ARSD wishes you all a very happy Kargil Vijay Divas.